Hi, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here at the Traders Expo in Chicago with Thomas Lee. He's a managing partner and head of research at Fundstrat Global Advisors, fundstrat.com if you want to find him. And he's talking about, amongst other things, digital assets. Can we call them cryptos?
Sure. I don't mind the word crypto.
It's kind of fun. I've been a skeptic, but you think that we're reaching some critical mass here in cryptos, and you have a take on how people can monetize it or get involved, or what you think the future is. So where are we at with cryptos right now?
Yeah, I mean, I think we're in the early stages. I think crypto probably has a lot to do with either store value or money. Mm-hmm. And both are really network effect assets. And so I think as crypto adoption grows, we're going to see value creation. But yeah, these are the earliest days.
The one thing that convinced me or turned me a little less skeptical was the JPM coin, where you have JP Morgan, huge bank, huge financial firm, using blockchain technology to transfer assets intra-corporation, I believe, if I have that correct.
Yeah.
So what else is telling you or is suggesting that we're at critical mass or achieving some from your angle? Is it Facebook, the Libra thing? Or?
Yeah, I think that, Facebook, the launch of Backed from ICE, these are really on-ramps for fiat, traditional money into the crypto market, especially allowing institutions to get involved. Mm-hmm. Those are pretty bullish developments.
What's the good on-ramps for regular currency to get in there? Libra or
so Libra, when the project launches, will allow people to convert dollars into Libra coin. So it's an on-ramp.
So far, there's not a whole lot of easy on-ramps right now, though.
No,
right?
I think 2018 was really a year where you saw a lot of on-ramps get cut off. So the use of credit cards on crypto exchanges got shut down. A lot of exchanges shut down direct debit, so you had to actually do wire transfers. So I think last year was a story where on-ramps were shutting down.
And this year we got the big guys, Facebook, JPM. Where do people where do you tell people to go if they want to get involved in cryptos and make it part of their asset allocation?
We suggest people do consider it as an asset class, so to put 1 to 2% of their money into it. If they had put just 2% this year, it would have added now almost 450 basis points to their total performance from just a 2% allocation.
That's worthy.
Yeah, and if they rebalance every year, sort
of like having some gold coins.
Correct. It's a lot like owning gold. Yes, correct.
Are there particular cryptocurrencies you think are more suited to people, or it's something that somebody's going to look at personally? I mean,
well, I think people should take a cap-weighted approach. So Bitcoin is the dominant cryptocurrency. I think one of the best ways for people to get exposure is a product from Grayscale called GBTC. Or that's the ticker. It's the Grayscale Bitcoin Investment Trust. It tracks Bitcoin really closely.
Is that an ETF?
It's an ETN.
ETN, which, read the prospectus. It's got some different basis for unlocking, like the commodity ETNs.
Yes, that's right. Today there is no ETF for Bitcoin.
Excellent. Well, I appreciate your knowledge on the digital assets, and thank you everyone for joining us.
Thanks.